Damn, I have to say, I don't think I've been tagged this much on a vehicle that Randy had for sale in a long time. What are y'all, psychic or some shit?
Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad bitch, she thick, whoa, ice, drip.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. So getting right into the video, good friend of mine up in Oklahoma City, Randy, over at Auto Auction Rebuilds, link in the description. Massive automotive YouTube channel, has a BMW M5 E60 for sale. Like everything about it, if you saw the intro from today's video, then you also know that if you saw the intro from today's video, then you also know that the original car from this channel, or what I started the Beamer Man channel before it became TK's Garage, was an E60 M5. Blacked out, just like this car. Tips sticking out. Tips, T-I-P-S, not tits. I said tips. Anyway, well, I guess I said tits now. Whatever. Tips sticking out. Powder-coated black wheels. It's really everything that I'm looking for. It does have one issue with the steering column, and it does have the sloppy SMG transmission. I had an actual true 6-speed manual. That said, there's actually kits and people that can code and swap these cars to 6-speed manuals for around $6,500. So looking at, what Randy is selling the car for, and maybe paying for that manual swap, I could probably be into this thing for like under 27. And if you look at good examples of what these cars are selling for all over the country, they're just much less. They're not much less, they're just much more, right? People are selling these cars, and even as last year, like when the market was insane, people were still selling these cars for 35, 40, 42, 45,000, like just insane amount of money. Rod bearings are done. A lot of the insane maintenance stuff that you would expect to have issues are done. But in case you haven't seen Randy's channel over at Auto Auction Rebuilds, and I don't think he's done any videos on this car yet, let me show you some of the images so you can see what I'd be looking at picking up. All right, guys, so here she is on the trailer. Randy just got it back from the Auto Spa LLC. I'm sure he's going to drop a video on it as well. But damn, that thing looks clean, and those black powder-coated wheels, like it just sets that whole thing off, man. Like just wow. Look at that thing, man. I just don't see where I cannot not buy this thing now, because it's 100% what I'm about. You know what I'm saying? So there you have it. Short, concise, to the point update video on this. What do you guys think about that car? Go over to Randy's channel and check it out over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. Again, I'll put a link in the description for Randy. What do you guys think? You think that's something I should pick up and add to the stable? Because it would be a car, like, this is going to be the daily, I think, now, just driving the G30. But having the E60 is like that weekend nuts car, like that car when you just want to go out and just shit on people. I know it's horrible for me to say that, but you know exactly what I mean. I think it would be a lot of fun. I really, really do. And I think like the value, price, all that good stuff is really solid on this car. I have to have a conversation with Randy on it, because I'm not comfortable buying the car from him if he's selling it for a loss. We're not doing that. But it's just crazy because I got so much shit that I have to do right now, and I also know that he has to sell that car. I have to I'm in the process of getting stuff moved and making moves and doing different things with my business, with my contracting business. And I got stuff that I have to move on to Tinker at Tinker Air Force Base in Oklahoma City. I mean, I have to get that done, but I also have to pick up stuff from Vegas to do that and move stuff around. So it's crazy. And then I have to be all the way out in California in the next 3 days. So it's like, damn, I want to go up there and see this car and get videos on it right now. Or do I drive all the way to California, knock that shit out, do what I need to do, and then get back out here? And then I have other life-changing stuff that's going on here in the state of Texas. Busy. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you think it would be a good addition to the stable of cars? And what do you think about like just having that as like a weekend car or something? I think between that and, you know, the couple of classics and the G30, I think we're good. I don't think I need a bunch of cars. I say that, and then I'll have a yard full of cars when I get settled in. But I don't know. The E60 is the car that I wish I never got rid of. Like the i8, fuck that car. The i3, you know, the F10 M5, I miss that a little bit. The M6 and the 650 convertible, definitely miss those, man. I love those cars. But the E60 M5 is the one I regret the most. You know, I never got rid of the E39. I'll probably keep that forever. And that just literally sits in a storage unit next to the Buick Grand National in Florida. Like, it's literally on blocks, winterized, in the storage unit in Florida. And it will probably be there for a while after I got done restoring that car. That E39 M5 is not going anywhere. But the E60, I think, is one that I regret the most for selling. I really do. I really do. I bitched about paying the maintenance to do the rod bearings, and you guys know, as much as I drive, it's an expensive repair, and I'd have to do it, you know, every other year or so. And but there's just something about how that V10 sounds and how that freaking car drives, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And yeah, I got my shit together. And shout out to CarMax, gave me a bunch of swag and stuff too. More on that coming up here in a little bit. We may be giving away, you know what, I'm gonna wait. I don't want to mingle it in a video. It'll be a separate video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. You think it's a win? I kind of like the car, and it's kind of like pulling me in, like, do I run to California and do this first, or do I go to Oklahoma first and kind of try to tell my, you know, the meeting that I have set up in California that I got to be a day or two late? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think.
Hey, ran up a check on the brand.